Why does my camera just want to zoom in on my pimple? I don't even know. I don't think I recorded at all today. It was because it was like Brandon's last day here and we had to go move Jackson the rest out of his old apartment and get his mattress and all those kind of things. And also my eyes are red and puffy because I was crying like Brandon was leaving. So yeah, I just feel sad. And I feel guilty for feeling sad. I know I should be excited, but I don't know what I'm doing here. If you live in Chicago, hit me up. Just kidding. No, I'm not. I need friends. What do we get? Working brother. I know, I was gone for so long. I was gone for so long. Okay. Please? Someone has separation anxiety. I'm right here. Okay. Lay down for me. Lay down. First thing we got is from Urban. It's so cute. $10, and I always like to hang my keys and wallet right by my front door so I just never lose them. So I got that. I usually use a command hook or command strip, but I'm really leveling up. This one's for Ernie. Let's see if we can put it together. He said no thank you. I think he'll get used to it. Ernie used to always sit on this trampoline we had in our backyard. And he literally sat on it till he broke it. And it was basically, it's like the same as this. This feels like a trampoline. And now he can look out the window more. Come here. Yes, good boy. Sit. Good job. You can see outside. What a dork. Okay, I think I'm gonna take Ernie on a walk now. I don't know, he's still pretty chill, so I might wait a little bit.
This woman could have been speaking and value was like they all had names and I was like, well, this one sounds like the most exotic name.
Give me the good name. Hi friends, you guys gotta get used to me vlogging a lot more because I have no friends here. So I need people to talk to. If I just talk to Ernie 24/7, I'll lose my mind. Here's my skincare though. I just use a Stridex wipe. It's the only thing that keeps my skin clear. As I have pimples right now. Not accidentally. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I ate some dairy and it wasn't my proudest moment. I felt awful after. It wasn't even good. Everything going on in the world right now. Almost every place for food was closed and being moved in. We didn't have any options, so I had to eat cheese. And I never want to do it again. I hide this because it's ugly. I'm so dramatic. I just use a pump of this Meyer off-brand. It's this Cetaphil off-brand moisturizer. Rub this on my face, and that is my skincare routine. I haven't been wearing makeup. Or anything like that. Now I'm gonna get dressed to go take Ernie on a walk. Before I go on my walk with Ernie, I wanted to show you guys, first of all, my little outfit, I guess. Because I know I'll get questions. This tank top is from H&M. It's a little see-through, so I wear another like tank bra underneath from Set Active. Then these are Nike Little Boys sweatpants. I actually cut into sweat shorts that I thrifted. I think there's a hole in the butt, but you can't see it. And then I'm just wearing my Adidas Rivalries. I love mixing brands. And then the most important part of my walks with Ernie, so I don't get bored, are my earbuds. So these are the Raycon Everyday E25 earbuds. They're the best model yet. Have 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, a more compact design as you can tell, with a noise isolating fit. They have that little rubber piece that really blocks out the noise. They also come in new colors if you want something else besides white. And I'll have a link in the description for you guys for 15% off your earbuds. These are literally so perfect for walking around the city or your neighborhood, wherever, going on walks. I know that's all we've been doing recently. And also, if you have a roommate, and like you're cleaning your room and you want to play your music, but you don't want to bother your roommate on the speaker. Living with Jackson now, I've been using these all the time. I just always have these in my ear. I highly recommend them. So make sure to use the link in the description, 15% off. I'm going to go on a walk and listen to some music now. See ya.
Yeah.
Look at me, Ernie.
That was your birthday card. Are you wearing those last your house shoes?
Oh, I'm wearing them all the time in the house.
Okay, look at Ernie. He decided he likes his bed with Jackson's 2 old pillows on it and my cheetah blanket. And then I made an order on Wild One. It's like that dog, it's like really cute dog stuff. We got this free lavender tennis ball. This is like a treat holder ball. And then this is a little tug thing. I think these toys are just really cute. And then I also got Ernie a new collar because his black one was ripping from when he used to pull really bad. And then I got these 2 bowls from a Wild One also. That looks cute there. And then packages were just coming in left and right. We got this giant, I don't even know how much this holds, but it's for Ernie's food and it looks a lot better. We need like more bowls and more containers. It's coming together. We have mugs coming that I'm gonna hang up there. Jackson needs to take that stuff off the top because it's really ruining the mood. Like, what's that Trader Joe's bag? The mail lady said she likes my jeans. I'm gonna get demonetized.
Why?
Because you don't have a shirt on.
I told you to blur me.
Oh. Do I have your permission?
I didn't ask for this. Yeah,
I have your permission.
I never get to be in your vlog, and I finally get to be in the video, and this is the one.
Yeah, I know you went on a run just so you could show all my subscribers you without a shirt on. Look at that big bloody pimple.
Look at that.
Dab. Hey everyone, good morning. I'm putting my shoes on to get ready to go on a walk with Ernie. It's like 10 o'clock and he just has the most energy in the morning. So that's when we go on our walk. Yesterday we did like a 3-mile walk and he was so good the rest of the day. So we're gonna do that again today. I'm gonna go into like downtown and walk around and maybe walk past like the beach and stuff, the lake. I feel like I look so extra, but these are my comfiest walking shoes. These are those Run Star Hike Converse. They're literally so comfortable. I think it's like all this cushion So these are my walking shoes. And then I'm just wearing these sweatpants that my boyfriend Brandon actually made for me in high school, I think. Or no, it was like beginning of college. He made me these, but they're just like Hanes black sweatpants, and they're my favorite fit of like jogger style. I like how much they go in and then out and then in. And then this little baby tee is just from H&M. I reach for this t-shirt all the time, so I need more. Also, yesterday I filled in my brows with like this stain stuff, Wonder Brow, and it stayed so nicely, and it makes me want to get my eyebrows re-tattooed. I feel like I look like I have makeup on, and I don't. So got this guy coming. But I'm going to eat something quick before I take Ernie out for a walk. Since Jackson isn't here, he slept at his girlfriend's again, so it's basically Ernie and me. It's okay. Hey, come on. Did someone break into my apartment? As I was saying, I'm alone. It sounded like somebody walked in. I made coffee in my French press today, like not as a cold brew, because I forgot last night. So you put like coffee grounds in the bottom like you would with the cold brew, boil water, let it sit for a few minutes, and then press down. And now I'm just gonna pour it over ice. And then I have to figure out what I'm gonna eat right now. Damn, B. For those of you who don't have an ice maker, what do you use? Because Jackson has these like giant ice cube trays, but I'm such a crushed ice girl that these hurt me and I hate them. So if you have a good way of getting crushed ice, should I just crush this? Is that stupid? Ooh, overflowed. Overpour. You know how people do like hype house or like vlog houses for content? Like you live with YouTubers to get more content or whatever? I don't understand that, because me being at home alone and so bored causes me to film like every day and all these videos like in a vlog. And I think these people have it all wrong. Strand yourself so you're bored and you'll get so much content. Your creative juices will start flowing because you have nothing better to do than think of content. Ah, it's still warm. That's why you need crushed ice. These big ice cubes are. I really hope Jackson and Abby walk in. I look like a psychopath eating my breakfast. My phone's charging. I don't want to grab it. So, I'm just gonna sit here and talk to you guys. Look how cute. I stole this from my house, but I've just been filling it up with water and putting it in the fridge. Oh, is this mukbang? So I ended up making, oh, that's from Ikea though. I ended up making oatmeal because I have oats, and oatmeal really hurts my stomach. So I put like a spoonful of oats in it, and then I ended up just putting strawberries, bananas, and the most almond butter you've ever seen in your entire life. You're on top of it right now. This almond butter, Barney butter. You don't have to mix it. I think it's because there's other ingredients in it besides just salt and almonds, which I know isn't good, but the joy it brought me just scooping out some almond butter and putting it in my oatmeal and not getting splashed with almond oil, it's worth some cane sugar in my life. But somebody left a comment once like, it's funny that you eat so healthy but you eat like Jif peanut butter. It brings me joy. You can't restrict yourself. Maybe I'm gonna play some Animal Crossing while I eat because I'm uncomfortable. If I just sit here and don't do anything and just eat, I'll eat too fast and I'll hurt my stomach even more. There's a glitch in my brain right now. what is human contact interaction? I saw people last night. I'm so dramatic. I'm just not used to it. Now I'm gonna go walk the streets of Chicago and feel like a background character. I'm spending too much time on TikTok. Okay. I feel like I'm getting weird. This is what happens when I'm alone too long.
What's your vlog?
Low? Aww. Thanks, brother. Do you see it? He's scared of the spider, you guys. There's these giant spiders in my apartment complex. Not in them, outside. You guys see this? Okay, it doesn't look big, but it's really big. Wow. That's art. I'm so scared of it. Ernie, help! Ernie, help, help, look! Look at it, look! Help, help! He's up there. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.